Hi guys, it's a rainy day today, but I have to show you this house in 280 Parkhomes, Puchong today because this unit is very nicely renovated and the price is only below 700k. So let's go and see the unit now. And I have to say that the developer spent a lot of attention on the details of the facility as well as the landscape. There is a lot of landscape in this residence, as well as there is swimming pool, gym, barbecue area and lots more. Hey, I know you want to ask, then the maintenance fee is so damn expensive? Oh, actually not, because for our unit 2,422 square feet, 4 room, 4 bathroom and 2 car park unit, it's only let about 350 ringgit per month for the maintenance. So compared to many other areas, right, this is relatively very low. Okay, let's not talk too much already. Let's go and see the unit.